55 split version of heel. I had a time a garbage truck that looks just like this.
Wait, does?
Buddy, we had a garbage truck toy that looks just like this. Split version. Don't you not understand? It got here very late. I got here very late.
It got it like it got it upside down.
It don't matter how it doesn't matter how you do
You
it.
have to go more straight.
Oh, almost fell out.
If that actually fall out, the whole garbage will come out.
Yeah, ¿te acuerdas cómo se cayeron botes en la garbage truck?
Yeah,
That was so crazy.
video. That's so cool. Why didn't one come behind us?
I don't care. My favorite thing is just do this. And that stuff hurts my eyes. Why? I don't know what that means. I can just do this.
Yeah, that's Charlie's house. That's my Charlie. That's my friend's house. Charlie's. You can have Charlie's house.
That does not sound like trash. That's not supposed to be. That's what it sounds like in recycle. Does he not? Okay.